Oh boy. Manuel says, yeah, was the wrong one. Manuel is completely right. We were in the wrong broadcast. Yes. Brilliant work from us once again. So I will now delete that. Maybe you have a small 10-second recording of us saying, I think we're in the wrong one. Yes. That's a shame, but never mind. Delete. I hope I'm deleting the right one now. Imagine if I deleted the wrong one.
Well, we'll know.
Well, we would know, because we would stop being live. So, we are here now. No worries. Excellent. Many people are here. Yes. Sai. Hi, everyone. Marta. Hello. And Eve. And Kendrick. And Trish. TJ Gill. Woo. Wash hands. Yes. Kartik.
Wash hands.
Wash hands. Olav VS. Milos and Michael. There is chaos. And Steve. And Manuel and Terry. Yes, there is chaos ensuing in the background. That is because we have our new kitten who, I forgot, has an obsession with electrical wires. So she is trashing our scene, in the immortal words of Christian Bale.
Oh, look how cute she is.
Yes. She's kind of, you shouldn't have worn black.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Never mind.
You can't really see the little kitty because I'm wearing all black,
but she's there.
There you go, you can see it like this.
Oops.
Aww.
Hello, please stop trashing things. So, oh boy, we are going to code. Michael, I hope you're excited for this.
Yes.
We are going...
Kind of. Well, as usual, I don't really know what's going on. I have heard we're making some kind of button or something. So, yeah, that'll be fun.
We are making some kind of button or something. And that button is this space button here, which we started the last time we were live. And yeah, we're going to continue it.
Yeah.
First, I better find what we did last time.
I love how you're sharing all your untitled scrims.
Yeah, all 30,000 of them. That's not it. Let me drag this over here. So what have you been up to, Michael? I saw that you were doing the, what do you call it, newsletter earlier.
Yes, I am writing a newsletter at Scrimba Community Newsletter, Community Digest. If you are not subscribed to it, you should. You should subscribe to it.
How do you do that?
Actually, good point.
Michael doesn't know.
No, I think there is like a landing page on Discord. But I suppose we can share it from, well, we can share it a little bit later. Anyway, there's more mayhem going on. All the lights are dropping. Who thought having a cat next to a lot of lights might cause some trouble? Yeah. Well, anyway, were you looking for it?
I'm still looking for the one we made last time.
Why?
Well, because we need to carry on with it.
Oh, is that the thing?
Yeah.
Ah, yikes.
I know. Why didn't I find it earlier? How embarrassing.
Oh, well.
Yeah. So it would be that. It must be that one. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm with it now.
It's literally called Kevin's Friday.
Is that all we have then? I thought we got further than this.
I don't know. You're not sharing it. What is it? I'm pretty sure we've solved it, man.
Okay. So what are we going to do then?
Well, I think we should just carry on from any. Well, just load up the... Well, there is like that... Come on, let's have a look. I think there is like 2 days old, 14 days old.
Yeah, that's the one I was just looking at.
Okay. 14 days old, Or is it? No, that must be 14 days old, yeah. But I think you probably forked it. No?
Well, there's that
Isn't
yellow
that-
dot down there.
Isn't that? No, that's not it. Actually, that kind of looks like what we've done. Although I'm pretty sure we would have.
We put the images in. And we started it from a new one, so maybe it's actually. Oh,
Maybe
wow.
that is.
Sorry
Like,
about this. No, it's not, because I think we started it from a fresh one. Tom says, hello everyone, sorry I'm late. We were late too because we went to the wrong one, and now we can't find the work we did last time.
Kevin Button Challenge?
No, that's the new button.
You should really give these better names.
Yes. Well, I guess. Oh, hold on, maybe it's this. It's this. Woo. This is what we did 2 weeks ago.
Cool.
Yes. So we can continue on with this, Michael. And the first thing we have to do is code our amazing button.
Yeah, but haven't we actually done the button then?
Well, we have, but we've made it, but we haven't given it any kind of hover state or anything.
Oh, okay, and that's the basically challenge for today. Like, try to style it.
Well, that's the current weekly web dev challenge. Yes.
Yes. So
here we are.
Hit me up. What's up with that?
The current weekly web dev challenge is to create this button, including a nice hover state.
So when you hover, you get landing page made button. And then you have this like halo effect on hover.
Well, that's what that's what Frontend Mentor suggested in their design. But people have been very creative creating all of these. So we can do anything we want, really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at this one. Woo.
Whoa.
I know, amazing. Woo. This is just like real life.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we're awesome. I don't think we are, but thank you anyway. I think I'm not late then. No, you weren't. Very, very nice. Hello, guys. My name is Mouth. Okay, so how are we going to do this then, Michael?
So I think we should do whatever the design spec says. Sorry. Cats and wires.
Yeah. Okay. What? So just stick to this.
Yeah, I think we should stick to the, like someone said, just like real life. Let's stick to just like real life and do that properly.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
So to do that, I guess I'm going to grab a screenshot.
Yeah.
And then keep that to the side.
Is there a Figma file anywhere?
There is.
Oh, let's use that instead.
Space tourism Figma file.
Also, it looks like maybe someone can tell us in the comments, but from where we're looking at it, it looks like the image is a bit jittery. Does it look like that to you? So yeah, let us know.
What image?
Well, the kind of like, if I wave, it's kind of stunted to me. But if it's okay, if it looks normal to you, then just let us know as well.
So here's the Figma file. So we're aiming for this on hover.
Okay, and are there like are there sizes of this hover, or is it like pulsation effect, or is it just what actually happens?
That wasn't declared anywhere, so that's for us to decide.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can choose.
Ouch.
So we have our button here, looking buttony, I guess. Wow, that's really small text. I think it's because I'm zoomed out. There we go. So looking at the design, I think the button stays the same size.
Okay.
And it expands around it, whatever this is. I guess a border. So let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Button hover currently only has cursor pointer. Wow. How do I need to. So how would you add this? Because I'm tempted to do it with a border. but I feel like there might be some better way. Or maybe not.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, let's try that.
Let's go. Yeah, I honestly not actually even sure.
Tom says we look slightly low res and maybe slightly jerky, but not awful. It says we're on maximum resolution, so I'm not really sure why. I thought the button was smaller on hover. I don't actually think it is. I think it's an optical illusion, but we can check this like this. So there, it's that big. It is the same size.
It is the same size.
Okay, let's...
Yeah, what did you think? It was slightly bigger?
No, it went smaller, they're saying. Milosh says.
Yeah.
I thought it was smaller, but I think it just looks slightly smaller.
Yeah.
But it's actually not.
Looks the same size to me as well.
Okay. Border. Totally guessing. 50 pixels.
Yeah.
Solid. I reckon this is a good use case for an RGBA.
Ooh, I see. So you're going to make it opaque.
That's the plan. So if I grab
The color button.
that one, or maybe this one,
Yeah.
bung this in here, and, oops, no, it needs to go there. And then you add 0.5. Oh, it's inside. Okay, that's not what we want. So I need to add it around. CSS border outside. Stack Overflow.
Outside border. Oh, that's the thing.
Border affects the outside edge of the element, making the element different in size. Outline will not change it. So we want...
Outline instead of border.
Yeah, but outline you use for the focus state though, don't you? So I don't think that is what we want. I think it should just be a box shadow, says Jamshed. That sounds good. CSS, box, shadow, generator.
Can you make a box shadow that? Oh, actually, yeah, you can make it rounded, can't you? Oh, yeah. So shift right, shift down, you don't put any, presumably, and then it will make it proper.
What do you mean?
Well, because right now, this kind of like tilts, give like a shadow to it.
I think we need to use multiple box shadows, actually, to get the effect of it going all the way around. Something like this. Oh, not this. Not this, not this, not this. So really, we just want this.
Yeah. So, yeah, shift right 0, shift down 0. So the first two things are 0, 0, and then 0 spread.
Yeah, but then it's got a second one.
Yeah, but that's what?
This is the first box shadow.
Yeah.
And this, oops. This is the second one. It's actually 2 box shadows declared in one property thing.
Oh, how interesting. I mean, I say that, but...
Okay, well, let's put that in and see what happens then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the progress.
That actually looks pretty good, yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to work on the transition in a minute, so it's...
Probably, so RGBA...
This has got to be this.
I don't think we need... Well, I mean, generally, you do need WebKit box shadow, but we're not going to use it for this case, so you can probably delete that by.
Yeah. I mean, maybe we should leave it in. Well, let's not bike shed it. Okay, so this... and this.
Right.
Okay, compared to the original, kind of good, but I actually think it's not dark enough. So we should pick maybe this one. Or maybe we should just go for black. And
Isn't
then...
there color on Figma? Or that doesn't say what the color is. It just gives that.
I need to log in. One moment. Okay, log in.
Oh, there we go.
So now we can zip over here.
Right. Ooh,
Yeah.
look at that. Wow,
Background.
Figma is amazing.
Oh, that only gives the background of the button, though. I think.
So if you click on the actual... Oh, you can't. Well, somehow they... Oh, what about oval copy to that? Yes. No, that's... So that's the button. So click on the oval copy there. Yeah. And then opacity 0.1. So that's how it's the same color. It's just opacity 0.1.
Ah, so it's actually white.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So if in case people didn't see it, I have the white color, but opacity stated here at 0.1.
Box sizing content box. What does that actually do? Is that a thing? Box sizing content box. Oh. Content box gives you the default CSS box sizing behavior. Oh. So if you set an element width to 100 pixels, then the element content box will be 100 pixels wide.
I actually knew that.
So what?
But I forgot.
So what does it do then?
Basically, you remember your border when you made a border.
Yeah.
And it shrunk the button.
Yeah.
If you say content box sizing content box, it will do what you want it to do.
Isn't that? I thought that was border box, but that only works for.
A border box.
It works for borders and padding. Oh, so we could have done that.
Yeah.
Oh well. I think a shadow is a better bet. So we have ascertained that the color we need here is white in RGB. Do you remember what that is? 255, I believe.
Yeah.
See what that actually does.
Yeah.
Yes. Woohoo. And then
0.1.
I'm trying to remember if there's a comma there.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. So now we can copy this over here and there.
Yeah. What?
Is that an impressed yay whoa or a...
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Does it look like what it's meant to though? I mean, I think it does. It's just that this one doesn't have a...
Well, it's on the background. That's much darker.
Exactly. It doesn't have a picture of the earth behind it. Okay.
Yeah, but I think it looks good. Yeah.
I think it needs to be bigger though. So
we'll hover over that oval and we'll get the sizes for it as well.
Oops, wrong one. This.
So no, there is actually. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Does that give you a size?
Nope.
It says.
Oh, this.
Yeah, it kind of gives
450.
450.
And then that is 274.
I'm too lazy for that math.
What?
450 minus 274 divided by 2, because that's each side.
450 minus, what was it?
274.
274 divided by 2.
Yeah. So
I don't think
minus
so.
274. That 450 and 274 need to be in brackets. But coding,
yeah.
well, you know what I mean.
Old maths business.
There you go.
88. So we
88?
need 88 pixels. Where? Here?
I don't know, maybe. Yeah.
Why is this a different? Oh, let's see what that does. Yikes.
Doesn't look right. 44?
Yeah.
Try 44. Looks about right.
I think, yeah, that's good enough. Oh, I also love Figma, says Jamshed, but don't simply copy paste the CS from there. Only copy other specs. Yes. If the hover after some time persists, then make the halo pulse slightly as long as the hover stays. That's a good idea. Yeah. I think you should make it so that when the hover starts, make the button slightly smaller and simultaneously the halo should grow to size. I think we should, make it grow gradually. Use the transition, basically, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, which one?
CSS.
Transitions.
That. Yeah. I quite like the idea of starting small and then it grows together. Yeah, that sounds nice.
Tell me 3 schools. We don't do you want a delay? No, we don't want a delay. Something along the lines of this, I think.
Width, height, transform.
Well, no, we don't
For
want
example,
width and
adds a
height.
transition effect to the transformation.
We only need basically this. This is the property we want to change, I hope. We don't need... I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Oh, no, I'm actually not. Woohoo!
Oh.
Yeah, but how do you get it to shrink slowly? Because at the moment it just snaps off.
Reverse transition?
But where?
Like unhover?
Just on the button.
I think that should be an animation, to be honest.
Yeah?
I think you should make it an animation.
You shouldn't put it on the hover stick. Oh, actually, yeah.
Why not on the hover? Oh, I see.
Because...
the transition shouldn't be on the hover. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Oh, and that does it. Yeah. Perfect.
Perfect. CSS. So nice.
Not going to spam the chat anymore. Please do spam it because you've just saved us a lot of time. Okay. Thank you, Miloš, for helping us out.
Yeah, transition.
So what about this idea of making it pulse slightly?
Whoa, how does that work?
It could be, for example, that it pulses with a 0.3. So we have 0.1 is as soon as you hover, more or less. And then if you stay on there, it could pulsate to 0.3.
Yeah, sounds good.
The question is how?
I would probably go, well, right now I would probably go for animation.
I think so too. And as usual, go to copy and paste CSS animations. Generator.
Sounds good.
I think I've used this before. It's really good.
Whoa.
Yes. Try me. Rotate. Maybe there'll be a pulse here. Shadow pop. No, we don't want that. We don't want sliding. Oh, hang on. Attention. Flicker. No, that's annoying.
Pulsate low.
Ooh.
Bounce? No. Actually, no, here. Click pulsate. And then pulsate back. Pulsate forward.
But these are...
They're kind of like
this is to do with
change.
size, but perhaps we could adapt them. But maybe there's something else. Ooh, I hate moving backgrounds. They make me feel sick.
What?
They do. I don't know. I feel like I'm on a boat. Anyway, let's do this one.
Did Venice make you think of that?
No, all of them.
Oh.
So I reckon we can grab this and then...
Yeah, but just see what property is being changed and then update that. So I think code is on the right-hand side.
Yes, but I'm seeing what we can... Duration. That will probably be infinite. Delay. We do want a delay of, let's say, 2 seconds. Fill mode, both. Iteration count.
Infinite.
I think maybe that can be a bit longer. 3 seconds. And I don't think we want ease in, ease out. I think linear. So it's pulsating smoothly. Okay, let's give that a go.
Yeah. So you have...
Yeah, but where is the actual... Oh my goodness, why is it so huge? Whoa.
That's a lot.
Oh well, we're not writing it, so I guess it's fine. That goes on the button. Oh no, we don't need that. We'll keep the WebKit in for now, and then copy keyframes.
I'm pretty sure we're going to delete most of those. Actually, that's not that much.
I don't know, man. That's pretty big.
Actually,
but
you
now
don't
it's
want
going to do it.
I don't think you want it on the button.
So this should go on the hover, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I think it should be. It should go on the hover.
I guess.
Yeah.
But then that's going to animate. I mean, maybe that's fine. Let's see what that does. Yep.
Interesting. That's actually pretty neat.
Yeah, but it's not exactly what we intended.
No, I think.
But
what
maybe
we need
that's
to do,
okay.
Yeah, but that's okay. You just look when you look at heartbeat frames, where it scales stuff.
Yeah.
So we probably want to remove the scales, and what we actually want to do is do the background. Sorry, the opacity is what you wanted. So, give it a background color.
So I'm not actually convinced we need any of this then in that case.
Well, you still want...
Why are there two of them?
I do not know. Oh, because they're like heartbeat. They're going slightly out of sync. So basically you have two animations.
But they've got the same name. So I'm pretty sure it's just copied it twice. Oh, WebKit keyframes and keyframes.
Yeah, I see.
I have never seen @WebKit keyframes before.
Wow. Well, there we are.
Okay. For the sake of this, I'm going to delete this.
Yeah.
Honestly, we're not trying to scale it. So probably... Oh no, my neighbour's got his leaf blower out again. I'm going to go into the shed one night.
Today is going to be a good day.
I'm going to leave a note on it.
Actually, today was a good day.
Let's say we need this, and that can be 100%, and then we're just going to put what we want to do in this, which is this. Submit. Actually, we only really need this, I think, 50. I'm going to put this at 1, just to see.
We've grabbed all of that animation.
It's working.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, that looks good.
It needs to be this as well, then. Yeah.
Whoa. That is actually pretty psychedelic.
So not 1, I reckon.
Yeah, probably like 0.8.
Maybe even 0.5. Let's do 7 then. Oh yeah, but now our slowly changing hover state isn't working.
Why?
I don't know, but it just snaps on.
Oh, it does just snap on. Transition, box shadow, box. Oh, that's because. Oh, I see. No, but I think that's because you need to include from. So you have inside of.
Oh, right.
Yeah, inside of your from.
That gotta be.
Yeah, that gotta be in from. Yeah.
This.
Here.
And maybe here.
Yeah, probably. No, that still snaps on.
Try to animate the box shadow size. I will. Remove the infinite. Okay.
That still snaps on. Yeah. If you remove the whole keyframe heartbeat, You just comment it out. Yeah. So, and now try. Does this still snap on? No, it doesn't.
Yeah. So the animation. The animation is okay. We just need a delay then. What's happening, I think, is the animation is starting immediately, but we've told it that it goes from this.
Oh, okay.
So we need just to put in an animation delay, but I can't remember where that has to go. So
We'll go back to, go back, close that window, and go back to there, delay.
Says it's got a delay.
Yeah, so it's got 2 seconds delay. So that's on line 100, 2 seconds. Yeesh.
Oh no, it actually does, yeah. Because it doesn't start immediately.
Yeah. So somehow the heartbeat box. Oh, hang on. What if you move box shadow under animation?
Well, that would be a nice solution, but I'm not hopeful.
No. Oh yeah, it's Guy Fawkes night, isn't it?
It's fireworks night. Yeah, I did get slightly worried then, but we're. I was going to say it's not actually dark yet, but it is.
Yeah.
Still arguably a bit early for that, but never mind.
I found this holiday so fascinating when I came to the UK for the first time. I was like, wow, people are celebrating with fireworks. A guy who tried to blow up Parliament and then got executed for it.
I think we're celebrating the fact that Parliament didn't get blown up rather than
by
someone
blowing
tried
up a lot
to.
of fireworks.
Anyway, the neighbour's dealing with his enemies. Well, my neighbour's main enemy is leaves. So, yeah. Problem is,
we
mobile
live in a
devices,
very, very funny neighbourhood.
People don't hover as in desktop mode. Yes, that is true. Okay, let's research CSS animation overriding transform. Looks like we're not the first people to have this issue. I'm just going to want to animate where it's not affecting scale. Try to add animation to each element. Okay, really? Animation to the container.
What? Oh, I see.
This is because you're overriding the original transform with the one in your animation. Well, we're not doing that, are we?
No.
You're thinking about the transform property wrong.
Okay.
Each element has one transform property and you reset it. Oh. So, potentially, if we also put, that seems hacky, but maybe that doesn't matter. If we also
what have you just understood?
The
transform.
Yeah, we're not actually using transform, we're using transition. Should we be using transform?
No, because we're not scaling. Maybe
we shouldn't be using transition.
What's the difference?
Let me refresh my memory.
Transition uses transform anyway.
In what way?
Well, one of the properties that you pass to the transition is transform. Or is that a different transform?
I don't think so. No, we are using the right one for what we want to do. However, I think potentially the same principle might apply. Perhaps we need to put all of these in here.
Yeah, but that heartbeat is applicable on the whole one. Oh well. Anyway, what do we have to lose?
Well, that hasn't worked, so no. Well, I think what we should do is leave it as this and continue on with something else.
And that's how stuff is done. It's like, oh well, I give it my best. I think in that case, if we can't pulsate it, I think it's best to actually abandon the animation and have the other one.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is much better.
All right, then. Let's do that. And then we don't need...
Sorry, we tried.
I feel like we should animate something. Anyway, maybe if someone has an idea how we can animate this, we will come back to it. Although...
How to animate it, preserving this like gradual...
I think...
Yeah, let's find... Maybe someone's already done
an
something.
animation.
Whoa.
Yeah. Super cool.
Oh, so...
Orbiting planets.
There is, and then it also snaps back. Interesting. Yes, wow, that looks pretty good. So
Solar system active, transform scale, but where are they using the animations?
solar system hover. Oh, here, scroll down. So there is, scroll up. There is hover. They also use the box shadow when you hover. Ah, so you're hovering on the solar system and the solar button. Presumably that's the button.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but when you hover on the solar system, you get transform. Okay, scroll down. Solar system with a hover, you get the orbits. Fair enough. Solar system with a hover, you get transform scale. Fair enough. Next, you get on the glow, you get that. Fair enough. Oh, is there actually anywhere animation? So,
yeah, it's here.
Animation name, duration, duration count, timing function, box. Ah, so have they put the animation on glow? What does that mean?
Glow is interesting. Oh, here.
It's the child of. So where's the button? Ah, a button is
Here.
interesting. So they basically created a separate div on which they put this animation. Oh, so they're not actually putting it on the button like we do. They put it on a separate container that actually does the desired animation. Maybe that is actually a very good way to solve it.
Yeah, or using pseudo elements.
Yeah, or using pseudo element. So basically, you don't get hung up. Basically, just have another animation on layered over this one.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to fit the two together.
Although that does seem... I feel like there must be an easier way.
Yeah, I don't know about that. When it comes to CSS, I never know. Is there an easier way? I mean, if it's not write this property to make it happen.
I thought I had an idea.
No. But I've blown it.
No, it wasn't an idea to begin with.
Rambling.
I think what we can do is cheat. So we can have, instead of using the box shadow, get rid, we can do border, I don't know, 50 pixels, solid, oops.
What do you actually have in mind?
Solid white.
Oh, 50 pixels.
That's not 50p.
No, not 50p.
And then
Half a pound solid white.
I actually think that, I mean, obviously that's not exactly what we want. But now what were people saying?
That like border.
No, it's box sizing.
Yeah.
No, not box shadow. Box sizing. Content. Box.
Yo. It's not probably. It's probably not 50 pixels.
You deleted one entire line at once. What shortcut was used? Command X. or Control X on Windows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. On your heartbeat animation, your starting point has box shadow thickness of 44 pixels, says Milosh. That's why it doesn't work. At 0%, i.e. from property. I think. And again, on your heartbeat animation, your starting point has box shadow thickness of 45 pixels. So it should be.
No, I think that's where it used to be before we deleted it.
I think.
So what should it be?
Well, the animation, I guess, would be nothing, wouldn't it? We would want it to start from nothing and radiate out.
Oh, I see. Right. Well, in that case, let's just let's revert all of that.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So box shadow there, you want instead of 44 bit. What do you want there?
No, I guess.
Not. Yeah. Do we actually want a box shadow? We do.
Yeah, but then that's going to screw everything up, I think. Michael, that's working. That is working.
Is that what you wanted? Because I thought.
Not exactly, but it is kind of working, isn't it?
I mean, yes. Oh, I see what you mean. Now, basically, you have. Okay, so hang on. So basically, what we want is we've got. Oh, sorry. But uncomfortable, but there we are. So what we want is when you do this, it grows out, and now it starts doing it. So actually, you do want the animation to start at 44 pixels. You just want that delay to be respected because
my delay will be respected.
Yeah, because you have this transition 2 seconds, and then the box shadow should kick in. Sorry, the animation should kick in 2 seconds later.
Well, as Eva says.
But yeah, I mean.
Very nice as it is now.
Yeah, I agree.
So I think we can go with it.
No, I mean the other one is actually pretty good.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
and make the 100% 0 pixels as well.
Do we want that? I'm not sure we do want that.
Well, I mean, let's see. So
no.
You get that, and then it goes whoop. Yeah, see?
Interesting.
Do you then need a transition?
Well, I was wondering that. Probably not. Okay, let's find out.
And to be fair, you probably don't want a delay on the animation anymore.
No. I can probably just delete that property, but I'll put 0 seconds just in case.
Okay.
Ah.
So we should have animated all along.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well.
That was a learning curve. Yay! So now we can close many tabs and figure out what we can do next.
Yeah. What does Kevin do with that button?
I don't know yet. I haven't got to that part in the course.
Now I see.
Yeah. I'm actually not sure if he does anything. I remember him saying something about he's left it up to you to decide how to
Fair enough.
Animate it.
Whoops.
So, yeah, this is our space page.
Yeah.
Wait. We have this. So I think what we can do is build our menu.
A burger menu. Why not?
Because we haven't actually got anything in there yet. But we are doing mobile first. So let's check out the mobile design.
This page is really hard to make, isn't it?
Yeah. We need to make this. Woo! Glass morphic effect.
How do you do that?
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of know. We did one similar for the weekly web dev challenge.
Do it.
Thank you, Annie Mister. Oh, I'm going to delete your credits. The credit given.
Because we've basically not used any of it.
Well, actually, yeah. So let us. I think we put this in last time in the HTML, didn't we? Yeah. Here is our nav. Yep. I think we've got it on display none or something. That can go. Nav, display none. So that's what it looks like at the moment. And we want it to look like this bad boy. So I guess height 100 VH.
Shouldn't there be like some kind of and stick or something? Position absolute or something?
Yes, I think it should. Should it?
Well, basically, because now it's in
yeah, actually it
with
should.
the rest of
It definitely should. Position absolute. Okay.
Position relative?
No, we don't.
know.
It is position absolute. I'm
So it's
sure.
somewhere down there.
So now maybe we don't need this. Okay. Yeah. And we want to do. Is this going to work? Right. Yes. 0. But now I feel like height 100 VH is what we want. But it doesn't do what I expect. I'm going to put a background on it. Background color.
I'll probably just Google that.
Pink.
Pink.
What? It's temporary to see where we are.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I wonder what if it's height 100%.
Ooh.
Oh,
So that's what it does.
I don't know. What is that actually doing? Because, like, where is the content now?
I think you can't see with pink.
Was that? Oh, okay, we need to do top 0, I reckon. Yes.
So you don't need right 0, or do you need right 0?
No, you do, because that's what's putting it to the right, but you also need top 0.
Okay.
Okay, good idea. But now, want to make it 70% of the page, would you say? Width, 70%.
Yeah, that looks about.
And actually, I think it's a bit more.
Yeah.
So now, text align right, is it? No, it's actually not. It's text align left. Left.
No. Oh. Yeah.
Okay. And then I think to spread them out, we can use flex. Display. Flex. And then justify content. Space between. Yet. Maybe it's align items. Align items.
Center?
Okay.
Kind of.
That is more what we want, isn't it? But we don't want center, we want what are the other options. Flexbox, cheat sheet. Align. I don't want any of these.
You gotta do maybe flex end or something. No, I haven't.
Привет. Я is Ruski.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hello.
I feel like I'm missing something with this.
Isn't it just aligned as you would want it?
Well, no, because I need them spread out, but
Sure.
there is no align item space between, like this. Oh, it actually isn't.
No, it's not. Yeah, that was
Okay. So we don't need that. So really, we probably don't need any of this, do we?
Why not?
Well, because what are we using Flex for now? We're not. We just need padding.
Ah, right. Yeah, you do need just a little bit of padding, and maybe like
pixels.
Yeah.
Oh, not on the whole nav. On the list item. Nav leaf.
You probably need the padding on the UL. On the whole unaudit list.
Well, I think we actually want both, but like this should be about 10. And
I thought
that should be that.
Oh, right.
Like
Yeah.
this is about right, I reckon.
Well, let's go to the design and see what it says.
So we now have. I'm gonna grab this and compare. Can you margin the Lee? Says Ramsey. You need to expand the UL size as well. Let's look into those things momentarily. Right, first off, we need here. I thought we had that. Maybe not. Text transform uppercase.
Right.
Yes, very nice.
Oh wow, yeah, okay. I actually didn't notice that.
These numbers.
Do you want to create the glass effect, or is it hard?
No, because I believe
you probably just
glass morphism.
Right.
Come.
Well, you do like the CSS in this part.
Blur value. Okay, shall we just copy this and then? Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad.
We don't want our border radius of 10 pixels though, because that is.
Yeah,
it doesn't have it. And I'm not sure we want the border.
Yeah.
That's much crisper.
You probably need a little bit frostier though.
Yeah, we do. Let's see which one of these we have to box shadow, I reckon. Oh, look. We have got a box shadow.
Oh, what's a backdrop filter?
Which we don't want because we actually want it to be nice and crisp. But we want this background, I reckon, to be 35?
Nah. You needed it. What was it, like a 0.5? Yeah, see, that just changes. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
I think
it should be.
Right
I think it should be 3.5. 3.5 as the color, but you need the frosting, the blur. Yeah.
Says go in Matic.
Yeah.
The blurring what? This?
Yeah.
Oh, more of a blur, you mean?
Yeah. There we are.
Ew.
So you probably want the opacity
to be what it was originally, which was 0.25.
Yeah. So it's a little bit, it gives that dark background look.
Yeah. Thank you, Goran, for the heads up.
There we are.
That is a bit more opaque, really, than this. So I think we can take this down from 40 to, let's try. Yeah.
Ooh, that's actually pretty close, yeah.
Or maybe even, no, I think.
Yeah, I think 30 was like.
I
think 30 was pretty good.
Stick it to 30. Amazing.
Yeah.
Eve is saying something about use border until you position perfectly the UL. Ah, I see. So the UL, we can put in a border 2 pixels, solid, hot pink. So we can.
Nice. Yeah.
So Eve is saying we should have it the same size as the whole nav. which makes sense actually. So let's get rid of all this. Don't need this, or this, or this. And in our, we want the UL to be whatever size this is, I think.
What do you mean? What?
This is the UL, this pink box.
Yeah.
I think we got to make it the size of the nav.
Oh, I see. Why?
Although I'm not really sure why. Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe not then.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know.
Like, what's missing?
Well, at the moment, we've got an issue of, well, two things. We
I
need
don't
to
know,
make-
that looks pretty close.
This is why you're back end. Michael, firstly,
Well, I think the frosting opacity should be probably 1.15.
we're not
actually.
touching the frosting anymore, Michael.
Okay.
Well, I mean, where?
Background 0.15, I think. That would be more. It basically would make it like less white. Actually, 125 is good, yeah.
Yeah, very nice. We need to make these numbers dark, or bold, I should say.
The number's bold.
Yeah, look, bold.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, there is actually quite a little bit of difference.
So I guess the
Yeah.
best way to do this is with a span.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. And then,
Yeah.
whoops. Didn't expect that.
Oh, I reckon it's. Oh, I know why that is actually.
Because it's a default. You need to override
Because,
that. Oh, there it is. Span.
yikes.
120. So on line 120.
Font size 5 rem.
Yeah.
So this.
You need to override nav span. Nav li span.
Yeah, that's getting a bit messy. Really, what we should have done is this should be like, should have another class. So let's say
Chapters.
main header.
You have broken the span that we've used previously.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to do. Main title, let's say. Main title. And that goes here.
Oh, I see.
Class equals main title.
Okay.
So now that's back to normal. And
Yeah.
our span we can, make bold. Nav, lee, span, it's span. But wait,
That does not make any difference.
I think it would make a difference though, because if you have a span elsewhere, you're going to have the same problem, aren't you? So it's better to clean it up now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
900. So now we have nice bold.
Although I do think that the main text is actually like trim font, or maybe not. I do feel like the font doesn't quite work for some reason.
I think it's blurry.
Because it used to be quite crisp, but
It
it's
must
not.
be the blur on our nav.
No, it's even on the main one. Look, you see where it says "Let's face it" over there. So when it says "Let's face it" over here, that's not thin and crisp.
Yeah. Could try the old font smoothing anti-aliased. Here?
Yeah, but it used to work.
It might just be the screen. Let's have a look at it over here. It is the screen, Michael.
Oh, it is the screen. Actually, yeah, it is the screen because when Leanne moves it to her Mac, it actually looks proper.
I'm glad we didn't spend ages looking at that.
But
Okay.
like, oh, hang on, I think it's something to do with like screen DPI and stuff. So you basically need to write. I I think you need to write some kind of media query for low DPI screen that then will allow you to have it properly.
But how will that fix it? Because the screen's the screen at the end of the day.
No, that's what I mean. It basically displays it differently. Well, to be fair, we are out of time, but basically Google.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah, Google low DPI media query, I think.
There is a CSS property called backdrop filter, providing real translucency as opposed to transparency. What have we actually used? I've forgotten. Nav backdrop. Oh, that's what we did use. Yes? Yes. Done using HSL versus RGB affect the color and Christmas display. I don't believe so.
No.
Don't think so. Not that I've heard, but maybe. If you look at the reference, 2/3 of the width is the nav, so width 75% is too much. If you look at the reference, two-thirds of the width is the nav. Okay. So in other words, we need to do 66%.
67?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Go on. Again. I am going to remove this for now so we can check out. Oh, look at this. What we've done.
That padding on the left.
Oh, yeah.
I think we need padding. I think we need padding top on the nav.
No, we need this.
UL.
Ooh.
Yeah, padding top 50 pixel, not padding.
Do we actually need any? Yeah, we do. Well, we can do 50. Or maybe it's a margin then. Top. Hold on. Wait for it.
It's 40 on the left.
It's padding. Where's that coming from then? Why has it got that?
So it's computed.
Okay.
I don't know.
Or maybe it's actually...
Yeah, that's from the UL.
But why? Oh, is that just like automatically what gets added? Probably it is. Yeah, it is. Look, padding inline start, 40 pixels. So if I grab this, padding inline start, 0. Very nice.
That looks very like, looks pretty similar.
Well, we have made some progress.
Yeah.
Michael.
Yeah, very good.
Eventually, once.
Yes. Oh, very good.
Once we entered the right stream.
Hold on. I was just like preventing you from doing any progress.
In UL, you can reset the padding left to 0, so you can control better like lines and position. Yes. Okay. Well, amazing. We have already used an hour. Can you believe it, Michael?
Yeah.
But I am
very good. Well done.
Reasonably happy with our progress today. How about you?
Hour.
Yo, I'm being blurry. Anyway, yes.
I was like all the way in the background.
We really are blurry.
I don't mind that, to be honest.
I know what you mean. I'm not sure it's a flattering blur, though. I'll have to fiddle with the settings.
Oh, no.
Yes, thank you all for coming, and hope to see you this time next week. Well, an hour earlier than this time, because at the start, not at the end.
Why are you confusing people?
Yeah, anyway, see you next Friday. Thank you for coming. And if you enjoyed this, can you please consider hitting like and or subscribe? Yeah,
YouTube tells us to say that.
Yeah. Does it?
Yeah, we're made to say this.
Not really. But anyway, thank you and see you soon.